If you've ever wanted to sketch multiple rooms faster with Xactimate Mobile, SketchScan is designed to do exactly that. SketchScan uses LiDAR on supported devices to capture rooms as you move through a space and automatically builds your sketch. In this expert tip, we'll walk through how it works and when to use it. To get started, make sure you have a LiDAR-enabled device and have SketchScan activated on your instance. Open your project and navigate to Sketch View. From the Room Flyout menu, select Sketch AR, then choose SketchScan. Before scanning begins, you'll need to manually start the capture. This gives you control over where the scan begins, which is helpful if you're moving between rooms. Move to the area you want to capture, then tap Start. Move your device around the room and follow any on-screen prompts. As you scan, the app builds the room in real time. For best results, move steadily around the space. Capture both the top and bottom of walls. Step back when needed to get a full view. Avoid blocking surfaces with objects. Make sure windows and openings are clearly visible. If something looks off, like a wall not aligning correctly, continue scanning from another angle or pause briefly to allow the system to capture more detail. It will often correct itself as more data is gathered. You can move from one room to another in a single session. SketchScan works best when capturing about 5 to 6 standard rooms at a time, making it a faster option for creating an initial layout. When you're finished, tap Done to preview a 3D rendering of the space. Then tap Save. Next, choose which detected objects to include. You can uncheck items, like furniture, before importing. Structural elements are automatically included. Tap Import to add the sketch to your project. Back in Sketch View, you can refine your layout by splitting rooms or making adjustments using sketch tools. To ensure you get the most accurate sketch, there are a few things to keep in mind. Always review your sketch after capture and make adjustments as needed. Room separation may not always be accurate without clear wall or ceiling transitions. Windows and openings may be grouped together if partially obstructed. Changes in flooring are not detected. Stairs are captured as reference objects only and are best handled with Sketch AR. Large scan sessions may automatically end if the device runs out of memory. If this happens, import what was captured and start a new scan. Avoid rescanning the same area across sessions, as duplicates will not merge automatically. Capture additional levels in separate sessions after creating a new level in Sketch. SketchScan is a fast way to create your initial layout and capture key structural elements and reference objects. Contact your Verisk Customer Success Representative to get SketchScan activated on your instance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you want to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe for more expert tips each week.